Hello everyone. I started a blog writing on highsnote.dev. So my URL is himanshu-blog.highsnote.dev. So in this, I have written a blog named Chai-Code-Cohort, right? In this blog, I have written so many articles. The first one is the TCP three-way handshake. Then after the role of SSL TLS in protecting data online. Then after web server and hosting. Next one is OSI model versus TCP IP model and protocols. Then after what are the network protocols and why do they matters? The breaking down the www beginner's guide, right? Then after we have written the internet, how it works and why it matters. What are the basic browsers jargon, master the art of Git and GitHub. And the last one is what is the DNS and why it important. As time goes, I have added a lot of article there as well. Now exploring one of the article, that is the internet, how it work and why it matters. So this one is a table of content. It means what we are studying in the blog are written there. So this the first you need to understand the background of internet. Before the internet, communication was done with the phone calls, letters, face-to-face meeting, and long distance communication takes a lot of time. And we also prefer books, newspapers, and TV to acquire the knowledge and to communicate, right? So next one, how to internet evolve over the period of time. In 1960s, the beginning internet started as the ARPANET, right? In 1970s, built the foundation where TCP, IP, and email, etc., all the technologies were expanded in 1970s. In 90s, 80s, the internet expansion actually happened there. In 1990, the World Wide Web www dot is started. Actually, it refers the website, right? In 2000s, social media and internet evolved. In 2010s, cloud and streaming, right? How to store the data online, right? In 2020s, the age of AI and IoT. Now the time is what are running is the age of AI and IoT. So just a basic to understand this figure tells how the internet happens, right? Internet actually connect all the computers to one another, right? So if we understand the internet from the real life analogy, and so compare as the road network in our surrounding, right? So internet is like a road network. Imagine you want to send a letter to your friend or something anywhere. So the envelope is act as the data and the road are act as a cable and the signals that helps the data travel. The post office is like a server. Okay, post office like a server where you can send the data or you can receive the data from post office. Just like cars follow road to reach direct different places, similarly data follow the routes to reach the destination as well. The way roads connect in different cities to one another. Similarly, the internet could connect all the devices from one to another. How internet works. Suppose you are writing something on your browser, www.google.com, you are writing on the browser, it goes to the computer, and through the computer, through the Wi-Fi, it reaches to the router, and route through the router, it's go to the ISP. ISP is actually an internet service provider, just like a Zio, BSNL, and etc. And this internet go to the web server and take the request to the web server, and this web server find the what are you calling, so that they give you that website to you, and it reaches return back from ISP to router, router to computer, computer to your browser, and you just watch all the information which you are referred to there, right? This is the summary of that diagram. Now we will understand what is internet. So internet is a global network, right, which connect in computer from one to another, and through this we can communicate from standard protocol, right, using a standard protocol, exchange the information as well. So what are the core component of the internet? Basically, internet are has core component like as servers, clients, protocols, infrastructure, and many more things. How data travel? Mm, As we all know, data is broken into small packets, and small packets through the route it reaches the destination. After reaching the destination, the packets are reassembled and it shows the original message which we have written there. So why the internet matters? It's basically everything now world is connected to internet. So if we want to connect with someone who are living outside India, you can connect easily from the internet. Global communication, you can email them, message them, and video call as well. Knowledge and information, if you want to search something, if you want to search some information, you want to collect some information, you can easily do that from the internet. And economic growth as well. So lots of e-commerce companies are running there which can help us from day to day life, right? Education and innovation are also there. If, as we all know, education is very important and it's very fast to understand through the internet, right? And entertainment and social connection like gaming, streaming, social media. You want to see some movie, you can just go to the Netflix and whether you want, right? Democratization of voice. You can tell anything to and to your stories to someone who is beyond your reach, right? You can say something from internet like Twitter, something whatever you want. And critical to modern life, it is a basically uh, very essential in modern life, right? Related to healthcare, banking, transportation, and smart technologies, everything related to internet. So this is all about the internet. Basically, you can explore all the blogs from there, and it is very impressive. In-depth knowledge you can gain from there. Thank you. You just explore and comment down what about your views on this. Thank you so much.